class. Good morning. This is Teacher LM and welcome back to our math online class. All right, so last few weeks we studied about skip counting by 2, 5, and 10. Okay, so skip counting by 10 was our last lesson from yesterday. So this morning we are going to review all of those skip counting by 2, skip counting by 5, and skip counting by 10. Okay? So let's practice and count with me. All right? So everybody skip count by 2s, 5, and 10. So count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, now let's keep counting by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so next one, let's keep counting by 10. Everybody, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so this is how we're going to count. Skip counting by 2, 5, and 10. All right, now let's practice more about these countings. Okay, the first one is we are going to fill in the missing part of the train. Okay, so the first one is count by 2s. The second train is count by 5. The third train is count by 10. Okay, let's start with counting by 2. Everybody, 2, 4. What is the next number? 6. Next is 8. Next is 10. And the last one is 12. All right. So everybody, let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right. Now let's count by 5. So 5, 10. The missing number is 15, 20, 25, 30. All right. Now let's count by 10. So 10, 20. The next number will be 30, the next will be 35, next is 40, and next is 45. Okay, one down. Next, let's practice more. So skip counting by 2, by 5, and by 10. Okay, so 2, 4, next number is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So as what you see, the numbers are getting larger and larger. Okay, next one, it's counting by 5. So we have 5, 10, the next number, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All right, 50. Now let's keep counting by 10. 10, 20, the next number will be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and the last number is 100. Okay, great. Now let's practice more, right? So let's practice more. So here, let's find out what skip counting number we need to use. Okay, is it skip counting by 5, skip counting by 2, or skip counting by 10? All right, so here we have here 5, so it is skip counting by 5, and let's fill in the blank. Okay, so fill in the correct numbers with skip counting by the number in the first box. Okay, so here. So the first one is skip counting by 5. So let's fill in the missing number. It is 10. So 5, 10, 15, 20. The next number here is 20, 25. All right, good. So next to 25, it's 30, 35. And next number is 40. And next to 40, it's 45. And next is 50. 60. All right. So 2, 4. Next one is 6. Next to 6 is 8. Next to 8 is 10. Then next to 10, it will be 12. 14. Next to 14, it is 16. And last will be 18. All right, good. Now, let's keep counting by 10. So 10, 20, 30. Next number is 40, 50, and then 60, 70, and last number 80. All right. Last row, class. So we need to use keep counting by 5. Okay, so 10, 15, 20. The missing number is 25. And next is 25, 30. Next is 35 and 40. And last number will be 45. Okay, so that would be all for this morning class. I hope you learned something and you already mastered our lesson from skip counting by 2, 5, and 10. Okay, so this is Teacher LM and I hope that you had a great day. Goodbye class. See you again this afternoon.